In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, just open Settings, scroll down and tap on Connection and Sharing. Now you need to select Printing, click on Default Print Service, and wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to disable print service and use other one, click on this switcher, tap on the back button, and click on Add Service. Then install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice to go back to printing settings. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!